everyone, welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI is currently quite deep in support in this B-wave pullback area, but again, this is not a scenario that is in any way likely. I mean, yes, it is one of the likely scenarios, otherwise I wouldn't present it, but basically only because you need a bullish alternative, okay? So for me, that here a low has formed still needs to be proven. That's why I've highlighted it here with a question mark. This is only a 3-wave move up. The price has not broken above the swing high from Wednesday. We haven't broken above the Monday, the 10th of March high. And actually, we can reposition that line to here because this is the signal line that now needs to be broken. Price couldn't break above these levels, okay? And the pressure seems downward. This is not impulsive to the upside. This is clearly a 3-wave move up, which could turn into a diagonal. I just have to show it, but you have some levels to watch if you want to trade the bullish count. But as I said, it's not confirmed yet. So it's always a question of what is your risk tolerance, right? The $1.86 level could be next support if the price forms another low. And I don't expect necessarily the support area here to hold. We'll see how the daily candle closes. So there's always a chance, right? There's always a chance that the bulls turn up and maybe start a C-wave rally to the upside from here. But I would really only, let's say, confirm the white count if the price breaks above this, $2.43, $2.44 level. And then this would be wave C of 3. Then we can watch for another 4-5 pattern. And then we have a first confirmation that indeed a low has formed. At the moment, there is just no evidence that a low has formed. It's just too, let's say, it's too choppy to the upside, and it's just simply a corrective rally. So what would be the next support levels? We've got $2.02, this area here, $2.02, $1.99. These are two Fibonacci levels. Below that, $1.86. Honestly, any decisive break below $1.86, and I would assume that SUI is in a different structure long term or on the larger time frame. I would then, when we go to the larger time frame chart now, I would then have to assume that a more substantial top already formed. This would be an alternative perspective, but it's obviously becoming very likely given that we are now very, very close to that level at 199. This is the larger degree support. We did say that on the smaller time frame, we give it a little bit more space down to $1.86 based on the internal structure. So it could go down a little bit lower, but bottom line is the downtrend is still unfolding. There's no evidence that a turnaround is happening here. If we get another rally from here, $6.90 to $8.52 would be the ideal next upside targets, yeah. But we just need some, just a confirmation for a low. There's nothing particularly bullish at the moment that's showing from any of these recent swing lows. Therefore, I remain focused on lower prices. But of course, keep an open mind because we are now on a larger time frame at a key spot where reward to risk is really favorable for the bulls. Yeah, it really is, because the next rally could take us to 690, 850. It's just that the local downtrend is still unfolding. Still, though, this is an area to be watching. Can I promise you that we're going to turn around there? No, of course not. But I can tell you, if this is a wave 4 pullback, then the bulls should turn up here. We can tolerate one more low, but then below that level, it's going to be, it's going to be too deep for a fourth wave, of that wave degree. Then assumption would be that a probably the C wave has already topped a little bit earlier than expected, I have to say. This move up is long enough to be all of wave C, absolutely. It's just that structurally, one more high appears likely still, even though this is now getting very protracted, of course. But all of that, it's just telling us when do the probabilities shift on the larger time frame. That would not affect the short-term trend because the short-term trend is down anyway, and it's been down for weeks. So here, still no bottoming confirmation, but this is definitely an area to be watching, probably more important than in recent months, because now we've arrived at this key spot here. So I'll keep you updated. When I see a signal that a low is in, I will let you know. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.